Hey, Bricks Go Far back with another MOC, or group of MOCs. Anyways, back with more big bricks. And I'm going to be giving you a nice 360 view of the group of these before I show each one individually. Here we go. There we have it. The drawer, just like the real thing, actually opens, and oh look, it's a little baby. Let's close that up. Let's see if I remember what was in the other drawer. That Nintendo's still fun. Oh yeah, the drawer. Let's see. Tiles. We'll see those later. So, starting out with the little antenna piece and the big antenna piece. And now I'll actually bring over the 1x1 modified brick with a handle to show you the very unique undersides of this antenna bar. Completely rounded on both sides, so it can go 360. But back to the brick, same height as a normal brick, and can be attached just like any other brick. This one also has a storage function, but kind of hard to see. Now we take a seat and take a good look around the seat. Try to keep the dimensions as close as possible and included as much details, even including the slight curve on the front and top of the chair. The back obviously can fold down. Was going to say it was at a slight angle, but that works too. It can fold down, although I didn't really intend for it to do that. Anyways, there's the underside. Most of this brick build is actually built forwards, which gives it a very sleek look while still being able to connect to the other bricks. Now as I bring out the drawers, here's a little fun fact. One little chair per piece is actually equal to 2 bricks in height. And the same goes for my bigger model as well. Onto the drawers. Obviously they can open, and these ones can as well. But they can also come out. And the same applies for these bigger bricks. Oh, and there's those tiles again. Take one last look at these drawers before we move on to the tiles. Oh, look at the little tiles. Now look at the big tiles. But what's this? There's only 2 big tiles. Where's the others? Oh, looky there. 1x3 tile, 2x1 tile, and a 1x1 tile. All made from that 6x1 tile. But wait, oh, we got a 1x4 tile now. Wow, and isn't that crazy how that works? What about that 2x2 tile? Oh, it's another 1x4. Oh. But if we take this and this little guy right there, what we have here is a 1x8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But why stop there? Take this 1x2 and we've got a 1x10. Wait, that's illegal. Forget I did that. This is just a 1x3. Put that back together. And a 2x2. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas for more big bricks, you can leave a comment below. Bricks go far. I'm out.